Yeah, Lotto. We could do what y'all do and still be a lady. I always worry about some pussy. Look. Nigga, who is you to clock pussy? Could barely pop pussy. Niggas kiss and tell like that shit is not pussy. Who is you to bash pussy? Y'all sweet ass pussy. Tell them how you couldn't make me climax. Pussy. I demand my respect. Why she pay me is crazy. Y'all sexualize lesbians for y'all entertainment. They engaging in gossip live from they mama basement. If you don't get a pussy up, then they'll take it. Your misogynistic ways show the size of your dick. Seen with the opposite sex and just decide that he hit. I ain't your property, bitch. Get mad and call me a bitch. And if he make you split rent, then he probably a bitch.
Girls, you can do what you gotta do and still be a lady. Girls, you can do what you gotta do and still be a lady.
Oh God. Yeah. Lotto. I can't do the insecure shit. Better be a man if you want me to act like you're a bitch. All up in them comments talking about some pussy that you'll never touch. Fuck you and your double standards. Pussy ain't for you to judge. Ayy, pussy niggas scared of monogamy. How you call it pimping if you gotta lie to me? The gender roles y'all projecting the hypocrisy. Half of y'all pussy niggas owe your mama an apology. How you ain't got a pussy but got opinions on pussy? That's pussy. My ovaries ain't for you to bully. Y'all the reason we make music teaching bitches how to use it. Speak up and they gon' defend the abuser. These niggas losers. Always talking about how they want a bitch on her shit. Boy, you can't even handle a boss bitch. He go bigger than your dick. Yeah. Still be a lady.
Girls, you can do what you gotta do and still be a lady. Girls, you can do what you gotta do and still be a lady.
When I close my eyes, I can see your pretty face. When it's dark outside, you always be my light. When I close my eyes, I can see your pretty face. When it's dark outside, you always be my light. We're young and we have so much to grow, and we fight. We hope that God will always be outside. We're growing up. You left a mark on my heart, and I can't hide it, so I fight for everything that comes our way. We'll be stronger. When I close my eyes, I can see your pretty face. When it's dark outside, you always be my light. When I close my eyes, I can see your pretty face. When it's dark outside, you always be my light. Nothing can hurt you, baby. I'm always with you. Hold on, baby girl, I will give everything to you. Close your eyes and tell me what you need from my life. I will give everything just
Yeah. Ride with the mob, Hamdulillah. Check in with me and do your job. Ferg is the name, Ben Baller did the chain. Tono for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes Linka feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria. Mama see me on BT and start tearing up. I'ma start killing niggas, how you get that tripe? I attended Harlem picnics where you risk your life. Uncle used to skim work, selling nicks at night. I was only 8 years old, watching Nick at night. Uncle Psycho was in that bathroom bucket. Knife to his gut, hope daddy don't cut him. Suicidal thoughts brought to me with no advisory. He was pitching dummies, selling fiends, mad ivory. Grandma had the arthritis in her hands, bad. She was popping pills like rappers in society. I'll f your bitch for the irony. I said meet you at your if your keep eyeing me. Ride with the mob, Hamdulillah. Check in with me and do your job. Ferg is the name, Ben Baller did the chain. Tono for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Ride with the mob, Hamdulillah. Check in with me and do your job. Ferg is the name, Ben Baller did the chain. Tono for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Find me mobbing with my click or something, yeah. Mobbing with my click or something, hey. Mobbing with my click or something, yeah. Mobbing with my click or something. I'ma explain why you probably never see me. I'm in a sucking place, no Instagram or watching TV. I think I trade my breakfast, lunch, and dinner for some kitty. Please believe me, I see Riri, I'ma eat it like panini. I go dumb up in the bra, hit the walls like graffiti. Indian burns all up on a nigga wee-wee. I think I need a foursome, Bella can do Gigi. It be easy if we're easy, hook it all up on a leasy. I go crazy in my Yeezy, Kirk Neezy on a beat. I told them that we finna glow up in the street. Rappers talk subliminal, but they don't talk to me. Put them in the jersey.